Welcome to the first episode of Self-Care Sunday, where I do something that I consider to be a form of self-care for me. So this week we're going to be baking because I love baking and I love eating, and I find baking very therapeutic, and I love eating when I bake. Not to brag or anything, but I've been considered to be one of the best brownie makers. Like, I'm serious. Ask my friends. I'm not lying. But I'm not making that today. Actually, I'm gonna be making blondies. Now, I've always heard about blondies, but I've never actually tried them until I was stuck in transit in Miami at the airport, and I was hungry and I just wanted to try something new. So I tried the blondies and I fell in love with them. So that's what I'm going to be making today. Oh, there we go. I think that should be about the consistency. So I'm gonna transfer this to a loaf pan, which we have here. Let's try to get this in as neatly as possible. Full disclosure, I actually tried making blondies before, and it was a failure. They tasted awful. So I'm really hopeful that this batch is gonna redeem me and remove the bad memory from my taste buds. We're gonna put this in the oven at 30 minutes at about 350 degrees, and I'll be back when it's done. Hopefully it tastes good. Please taste good. Oh, we are back. I have the blondies with me, and I'm not gonna lie, they smell so good. The kitchen smells wonderful. I can't sing properly anymore. Well, not yet, so I should not try that. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like from the phone camera up close. Looks good, I guess. It smells really good though. It's still hot, so I'm not gonna cut it right now. But the light is going, and I want to get this video like done before the light leaves me. So yeah, I will let you know how they taste when I cut them. Thank you for watching my first episode of Self-Care Sunday. And if you have any suggestions of self-care methods that you'd like me to try, let me know in the comments below. If you like this kind of video, also let me know in the comments below. And I will see you in my next video.